If you are looking for the best Sony sound system for your TV, whether it's a budget-friendly option or a premium Dolby Atmos setup, then today's video is made just for you. Because in this video we are going to cover the top Sony home theater and soundbar system. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. If you want to start your Sony sound journey on a budget, the first option in the Sony SA-D40 M2 4.1 channel home theater. It delivers clear sound and strong bass in a compact and space-friendly size. You get 100 watt power output which keeps the sound clear and the bass deep enough for everyday use. For connectivity, it supports Bluetooth USB aux input, making it easy to connect multiple devices. The stylish black gloss finish adds a premium look to your TV setup. It's currently priced around 9,479. The best buying link is available in the description, you can check it out. Now if you want a proper theater-like experience and want to enjoy real 5.1 channel surround sound, the next step is the Sony ST-S20R soundbar. This is a real 5.1 channel home theater system with Dolby Digital audio, so while watching movies, sound feels like it's coming from all around you. The system includes a 3-channel soundbar, compact rear speakers and an external subwoofer, which together create a true cinematic sound effect. It delivers 400 watt power output, so action scenes and bass-heavy music feels powerful and immersive. Connectivity options include Bluetooth, USB, HDMI, optical. Its current price is around 14,899 and the best buying link is available in the description, you can check it out. And if you want the same 5.1 surround sound experience but with wireless rear speakers and a much cleaner room setup, Sony offers the Sony ST-S40R. This is also a real 5.1 channel home theater system with a 3-channel soundbar, rear speakers and a powerful subwoofer. The biggest highlight here is wireless rear speakers. That means no extra wires running across the room. Your setup looks clean and the sound experience stays fully cinematic. It delivers 600 watt power output, making action movies and bass heavy music feel deeper and more impactful. You get Dolby audio support which keeps sound clear, detailed and well spread across the room. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, USB, HDMI, optical. If you want a compatible Sony Bravia TV, you also get TV wireless connection support. Price is around 23,900. The Sony ST-S40R is perfect for users who want premium sound, strong bass and true 5.1 surround. Buying link is available in the description, you can check it out. Now, for those who don't just want clear sound but extremely powerful output, here comes the Sony ST-S500RF with 1000 watt power output and tall rear speakers. This system can easily fill and shake the room. It's a real 5.1 channel surround sound system with a 3-channel soundbar, 2 tall rear speakers and a powerful subwoofer, creating a proper cinematic surround experience. Its biggest strength is the massive 1000 watt output, which means sound stays loud and clear for both movies and music. The soundbar features dual front tweeters, which enhance high frequency sounds and makes dialogues and music sound crisp. Bass lovers get a large 18cm subwoofer delivering deep and punchy bass. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, USB, HDMI, optical. Price is around 32,990. The Sony ST-S500RF is ideal for users who want loud sound, heavy bass and true 5.1 surround performance. Buying link is available in the description. And if you want next level cinematic sound where audio feels like it's coming from above and around you, Sony's premium option is the Sony Bravia Theater System 6 HT-S60. This system supports Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, delivering a true theater style experience. It is a real 5.1 channel soundbar with a soundbar, powerful subwoofer and wireless rear speakers that fill the entire room with sound. You get 1000 watt power output, making action movies and bass heavy tracks feel more powerful and immersive. With Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, sound moves vertically and horizontally, creating a true cinematic effect. Crystal clear dialogue so voice remain clear even during intense action scenes. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, HDMI, ERC. Its price is around 49,890 and the best buying link is available in the description, you can check it out. Now finally we have Sony's most advanced and future ready system, the Sony HT-A3000. Its biggest highlight is a 360-degree spatial sound mapping, which uses just a few real speakers to create up to 12 phantom speakers around you. You get Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support, so sound moves above, around and all across the room. A truly cinematic experience. It comes with a wireless subwoofer SA-SW3 and rear speakers SA-RS3S, which enhance bass and surround immersion with sound field optimization. The system automatically calibrates sound according to your room layout. If you own a Sony Bravia TV, Bravia Acoustic Center Sync makes dialogues feel like they are coming directly from the screen. The current price is around 78,979. The Sony ST-A3000 is perfect for users who want ultra premium sound, future ready technology and a true immersive experience. Best buying link is available in the description, you can check it out. So these were the top best Sony soundbars that you can consider based on your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such content. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you for watching.